Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's been about a week since I got the Spark, a little over a week, and it's been about a week since I posted that video of the first flight simulator. That was probably day 2, day 1 of me doing it.
Take off.
Since then I got the OTG cable, which is why I have this weak signal. As soon as you do it Wi-Fi, it goes away. But I have a problem. I have wireless security cameras and all kinds of wireless signals all over my house that make it, I guess, really hard for the controller to connect to the iPad. Because anytime I plug the OTG cable, I cannot get the Wi-Fi to pop up for the controller. So eventually I'll take it out and see if it's, once I leave my house, if it still does that. Alright, so here we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Just kind of a little update on my progression with the simulator. Basically doing the same things, just going down this road and doing the square, doing the up and out. But it's funny because I enjoy this. I don't know why. I enjoy not crashing it and knowing that I'm going to lose it or not going to lose it. So it's a very expensive video game. And that's how I look at it. You know, it's, if you play a video game long enough, you get really good at it. So if I use about a battery a day, and hopefully by the time I take this thing out, I'll be, you know, not too bad with it. But yeah, just basically keep doing that move right there, just to try to get used to turning it around. And then I still do the square. I'll switch it out of sports mode to do it. There's 2 ways I do it now. I'll line it up, and then I'll use right stick only. And I'll just try to trace it with only using the right stick. And that's not too hard. Whoops. Until I get way out. So, and then another way I do it is I'll actually turn, using the left stick, I'll actually turn the corners. I go a little bit slower for this because it's a little harder. I'll turn, especially on them back corners, because I can't quite see the position of the spark. See there, I'm a little off. And we'll bring it back around. So that's the tricky one that I still practice enough, or don't practice enough, I guess. Let's see, and then another thing I like doing is I'll bring up the map and I'll fly into an open area. Clear my path, and then I'll basically draw some sort of track. I'll zoom in a little bit. You know, maybe do a figure 8. And then I just try to trace that way out on there. But I'll just try to trace it as much as I can. That's a pretty small and tight figure 8, but we'll do it. It's basically a giant Etch-a-Sketch. I don't know if this is really helping or not. It's fun. I tried to draw some things in cursive and stuff like that. You can get creative with it. But I think it's really helping with the sticks. I think just learning, stick control. And even though I'm staring at an arrow, I think the first time I take it out, it's going to be in a giant field, so this will probably help. I could probably control the drone only staring at the map as long as I pay attention to my my altitude. But in any kind of actual filming scenario, you're not going to use this. But yeah, it's clear that out. But yeah, I don't know. I'll probably make one more of these videos in a week, and we'll see where I'm at. I would like to see a lot of the drone videos out there, especially with the Spark. You don't see a lot of guys doing any kind of maneuver or any kind of really thing that's, I don't know. I don't see much as far as being a pilot. And maybe I'm not looking for it as good as I should be. But that'll be my next thing. I've tried to learn the hardware and the software as much as I can, so now I'm going to just pay attention on flying as best as I can. But yeah, this will be my winter project. I normally do kayaking videos. Got this new toy, and hopefully I can film some awesome stuff on the river, and we'll get some cool stuff come springtime. So hopefully come springtime we'll get more, well, guaranteed come springtime we'll get more kayaking videos coming. So thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.